Hello and welcome to the personal property tour for 30 Bishopgate, Cupar. This is a really well presented, spacious 3-bedroom semi-detached property. You're getting gardens to the front and rear, off-street parking to the side with a driveway, plus a garage, while being situated tucked away on a really quiet street within Cupar, not overlooked to the front at all, so it really is the perfect home. So what I'm going to do is take you on the tour, show you everything that you're getting with this property, and as always keep listening until the end for how you can get further detail. So this is your property here, 30 Bishopgate, beautifully presented at the front. I really cannot wait to show you this one. So we've got a beautiful day to really showcase it as well. We are sitting in the sun right now. You have your laid to lawn front garden with your mature shrubs and plants in the borders, and you're getting that beautiful pop of colour. But before we start the tour, I do want to show you where we're situated, because as I say, it's a really quiet, peaceful street, because directly opposite is trees. So nothing at all, so really peaceful and quiet, tucked right up on the Bishopgate, and then you're just a short walk down there and you get onto Burnside and the Bonnygate and all your amenities, and you can just see the steeple there sitting in the clouds. So prime positioning of this property, and then really well presented. This gives you a great idea of exactly what you are getting. So you've got ample off-street parking. This is your chipped and paved driveway. Now I do want to head around the back and start around there because I want to give you a sneak peek at the garden just while we've got the nicer weather. So all the way along here, so ample off-street parking. You've got your garage there as well, which is just perfect. And then we head inside. So this is your back garden, sitting in the sun. We're just before 2 o'clock as well, so absolute sun trap and a really generous size. We are going to come back into that, but I just wanted to showcase it while it was sitting in the sun. So this is the entrance to the rear of your property, so this gives you a great indication of just how high standard it is inside. The black accent is continued throughout with this one. Now as always, we're going to start upstairs and work our way down. But look at this, straight away it just gives you the wow factor. Beautifully finished, all the contrasting colours are just so complementary and beautiful. So let's head upstairs. Really bright as well, which is a great theme that continues throughout the whole property. I mean, we've got that sun beaming in from the window just there. So 3 bedrooms, don't forget, all really generous sized. So we're going to start with your main one. So this is your main bedroom. You've got floor to ceiling fitted wardrobe, so ample storage. And you're still getting all of this floor space and then further storage in that cupboard just there. And as you can see, you've even got space for a working from home area. That's how big you get this room. And then just to give you an idea, that is your outlook. So you can see you've got countryside, hilltop views in the distance. But you are spoilt with the size of bedrooms. Then back out into the landing. Don't you just love that black floor as well? Such a great touch. We then come into your second bedroom. So again, really generous sized. Currently has a single bed, but would easily fit a double. And again, you can see there is a working from home desk space. There we go, and even to the detail of the black doorknobs with the brass as well, complements obviously your solid wood black floor. So it's all the attention to detail that's been thought throughout the whole property, really is just beautiful. You then come into your third and final bedroom. Again, single bed, but could house a double bed, or if you don't need the 3 bedrooms, this could be a home office study. There we go. So that is your 3 bedrooms. And again, attention to detail. You can just see the brass finished fixtures and fittings and switches. Again, complements. So we're going to head back down into your hallway. So as you can probably hear from my heels, solid wood staircase. So then back into this space. You've got your understair storage as well, so ample storage in there. Then coming along into your generous sized contemporary bathroom. So much to speak about and highlight in this bathroom because it is just beautiful. From your mosaic flooring, you've got those Oxford tiles, you've got that, obviously the large bath with your shower overhead, and then you have your wash hand basin just there behind the door. But again, the black theme just continues, and you have your heated towel rail. So that is your contemporary bathroom. Then we come along into your really generous sized open plan living dining. You've got that gorgeous bay style windows there. So not only is it letting that natural light flood in, but it's giving you the outlook into your garden to the rear. You can see you've got ample space for a dining table. But this is your living space. Such a great size. So just trying to give you an idea. Plenty of space and just beautifully presented. And again, you've got those solid wood floors. And again, continuing the theme, you have your fixtures, fittings, and again, matches with the door handles. We then come into the kitchen, which is a great opportunity for you to put your own stamp on it and make it your own. Decide obviously what you want to do with this space. It's a really generous sized kitchen. You've got all that ample worktop space surrounding the whole kitchen. And then you have that further area. It's almost like a utility area behind you just there. So this is where you could really put your own stamp on this property, add value and make it your own. But it is at least a generous size. And then just through that door there is an entrance vestibule and your entrance to the front of the property. But let's head back out into the rear garden and really showcase that, because you did only get a sneak peek. But hopefully by now you've seen just how high standard and how thought through all of the decorations are. And you can just imagine yourself moving into this property, because I just love this. And then, as I say, back out, and we've still got the sun. But again, you've got beautiful mature shrubs and plants. You've got them lining along that fence. Beautiful pops of colour. And it's such a generous sized garden as well. Perfect for the summer months and lighter evenings. You can see they have obviously like a chimney, patio seating area. You've got a further area just there. You could have a greenhouse. You could even do some grow your own veg plots there. You've got your drying green. And then I just want to give you a look back up to your property. So that is number 30, and this is your really generous sized garden. But look at this, isn't it just beautiful? So much care and attention has been put into this property, both internally and externally, and you can really see that because it's just beautiful. And it's so peaceful here as well. You're in such a prime position with this property, so nice and peaceful. And then this is where you can come out and enjoy and look at that beautiful blue sky to really see it. And as I say, you can just see the countryside and the hills in the distance. So let's recap number 30. That was the personal property tour for 30 Bishopgate, Cupar. As you've just seen for yourself, a beautifully presented 3-bedroom semi-detached property. The attention to detail throughout is just stunning, both internally and externally, stepping out into this garden at the rear that's a really generous size, lovely and private. All of this colour allowing you to take full advantage of the peaceful setting, off-street parking for ample cars, plus a garage. So it really is the perfect property while being in a prime location, as we're tucked up on the Bishopgate, so it's nice and quiet, but you're also just a short walk down and you're onto the Bonnygate, where you have all your amenities, butchers, bakers, shops. Also from this property you're in the catchment for Belbaxter High School and Castle Hill Primary School, as well as commuting from this location. It is ideal because you have the bus routes that connect you all across Fife, as well as the train station connecting with Dundee, Edinburgh and beyond. So prime location, while getting this stunning property, because the attention to detail I just can't get over. I absolutely love this one, and I'm sure you do too. So if you want to get further details, you can either message me directly, click the link, or you can call the team on 01334 654 221. Sophie at 5 Properties. Take care.